Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am going to be making a root beer float. So Gina Young just made this video and I'm like, oh my gosh, now she got me jonesing for a root beer float. So I think she was just thinking, oh shit, she's going to make it, but thinking maybe another day. No. I mean, I literally just got done watching the video. And I'm going to make a root beer float. So, first I'm going to put the ice cream in there. And I don't know if you can hear, my dog is actually snoring. He doesn't realize I'm out here preparing something. Alright. So, I think that's enough ice cream. Alright. So, just put the last on there. Put the lid back. And it's funny because I have almost the same ice cream. I have Blue Bunny vanilla. I did order a vanilla bean. And I did like the... dang. Where they bring it out to the car for you. And they were out of the vanilla bean. Alright. There we go. So, I'm going to go ahead and pour my root beer in there. And I'm going to tilt the glass to hopefully it won't fuzz up as much, but it's still making the bubbles. Okay. Gina Young also put a little vanilla in there. Alright. Now she put caramel on top of hers too, but this is the only caramel I have in the house. So I'm not sure I'm going to put hard piece. Well, it'll be hard when it hits the cold liquid. Alright. So it's like got a lot of bubbles in there. Ooh. We're going to push that down a little bit. Maybe knock some of those bubbles down. And then add a little more root beer. Add it slowly. There's something about that ice cream that makes it bubble up like that. But that's okay. And also my root beer is warm. I don't keep my pop in the refrigerator just to save room. And also, it's like if it's not cold, you're not going to just grab it. Takes some thought before you drink the pop. Alrighty then. So, I don't know if Gina Young will see this video. But I am enjoying her Thanksgiving videos. It's pretty awesome. And the timing, like she has them coming out almost daily, every other day. I don't know. But I always enjoy it. She's very energetic. Her voice is so sweet. Alright, and I'm glad you're okay. You had like a bit of a health scare earlier, so I'm glad things are going well. Alright. So I'm trying to get the fuzz down. Mine is a little fuzzier, I think, because I have the little neck on the top. I'm going to take, since I'm the one that's going to be drinking this, let me go ahead and take the fuzz off. I'm actually probably going to be sharing this with my mom, but that's okay. She and I are cool. We're family, so we can share germs. All right. Alrighty then. And then now I'm going to put a big dollop of whipped cream on top. So I don't usually get that canned stuff. I don't know. I just feel really bad. Like, I'm not the biggest environmentalist, but I don't know. I feel bad because it's like a can, an aerosol can. I don't know. It's just me, though. Alright, so she put pumpkin spice on top of hers, so I'm putting a little on top of mine. So I hope you guys don't think I'm too gross dipping in there. But again, as I said, it's just for me and my mom. And I don't do that when I'm cooking for others, of course. So I'm going to put a straw in there. And there we go. Yummy, yummy. Oh my gosh, that's so good with just that extra vanilla. And I can, even though I put the pumpkin spice on top, I guess I got stuck on the straw. Man, good recommendation, Gina Young. All right, well, happy holidays to everyone. Happy holidays to the Young family from the Carter family. And I will see you all next time. Remember, as always, like, subscribe, share. Take care, everybody.